like a Hellcat.
It's Amog. Welcome back to my channel, everyone, guys. So, guys, I'm going to show mods in Among Us. Mods. So, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, my name is Siren Head. I'll just change it to something. Okay, guys, done. See guys, this is the mode option. I'll say the app, which app to use. The app name is Happy Mode. In that, search Among Us, guys. It will show you all the hacks. See, so crew imposter, no kill cooldown, end vote, move in meeting, unlimited emergency meeting, no meeting cooldown, no door cooldown, force all enter when, force all leave when, like this. Sabotage lights, repair, sabotage. Torch distance. This one means you can see very far. For example, an imposter kill in navigation and you're next to navigation. But guys, you know, right? I don't know about that. I mean, you can see better. You can see for more range, guys. I never tried that mode. So this is speed. You can, if you increase to 15, you can run very fast, guys. And this is the host menu. I mean, you can be always imposter. Actually, it doesn't work very well for me. And end game has imposter wins. That means if you are the imposter, you will win as imposter. If you're crewmate will win. If you're crewmate, like that. An instant win. That means before the game begins only, guys. You can be. I mean, you can win. Wait, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys. Random colors. You can wear any color, any hat, any skin, any pet, anything, guys. Okay. So unlock skin, unlock pet, unlock hacks. These are also there. So misc menu, no ads, no leave penalty, increase report buggy, confirm executed, long kill distance, player 2 by 3 imposter. I don't know what is. Oh yeah, increase report. I guess it's. I don't know about this, guys. I guess you can report more, but I don't think there's anything like that normally. Confirm eject. I guess I don't know this also, but long kill distance is like imposters can kill from far. You guys know, right? Short distance kill means imposters should stay close to the crewmate. In medium kill means imposters should stay little more far, and in long kill distance has to stay more far. And here player 2 by 3 imposter. I guess it's 2 imposter can only be. It's like that, I guess, guys. So I guess this is the best. So crew imposter, because guys, as soon as the game starts, you can get to know who is imposter and who is crewmate. And this never failed for me, guys. This one. Wait, guys. Okay, guys. This is the best mode, because while the game starts, only you can get to know who is crewmate, who is imposter. That's how I feel. If you want to play the game, that's the best mode. This one, guys. Otherwise, it's not the best. An unlimited emergency meeting. It's awesome, guys. And move in meeting. That means, imagine if you're imposter. I don't know if that works. Like you can kill other people while you're imposter, while you're moving in meeting. I think it works like that. And what it means, like while someone does meetings, the meeting will end immediately, that fast. This is enter. I don't know about these two also, guys. This and this. Sabotage light. That means as soon as the game starts, the lights will be sabotaged. No matter if you're crewmate or imposter. Repair sabotage. That means imposter does any sabotage, it will repair automatically. So that's one advantage, guys, for crewmates. Ghost charts. Okay.
We both are free.
Wait guys, what is this? Spam. My color is dark blue, I like that. Okay guys, so this was our mode menu. Okay guys. So that's the mode which I have it guys. And I'm reminding again, search happy mode in Google Play Store. I mean Google. Then you'll get happy mode. Then click it and in the search button search Among Us guys. Wait, I'll show one demo guys. It has many other games. Happy mode. And so this. I'll search Among Us. Doesn't work for Roblox, Garena I guess. See guys, scroll down here. Among Us 2. I guess it's. I don't know about this one guys, but when I started my Among Us, it showed me the correct one. My friend helped me in this. So that's how it works guys. So meet you in my next video guys. See ya.